Greetings to our esteemed judges. Welcome to DerivStudy Pro, Simulate the Market, Master the Math. Our mission is simple but revolutionary, transforming financial mathematics education. For too long, the complex mechanics of options pricing and portfolio management have been trapped in static textbooks. Today, we bridge the gap between abstract theory and dynamic, interactive reality. Let us show you how. A project of this scale requires a dedicated and multifaceted team. We have been expertly guided by our lecturer, Assistant Professor Dr. Hafiza Bahaluddin. Our core development and research team led by Nurul Ain Umaira Muhammad Nazri, Nur Anisa Husna Muhammad Hamizi, Ainun Najwa Nur Kasmadi, Muhammad Arif Najmi Muhammad Nur Hisham, and Shaidatul Nazra Abdusalam. Together, we bridged the gap between advanced mathematical theory and modern software engineering to build something truly accessible. Let us begin with a brief introduction to our focus area. The study of financial derivatives is inherently a high abstraction subject. It demands a rigorous mastery of complex pricing models and sophisticated hedging strategies. However, in analyzing current pedagogical methods, we identified a critical disconnect in conventional lecture-based instruction. We term this disconnect abstraction paralysis. There's an urgent need to provide students with risk-free exposure to live market dynamics, allowing them to test theories without financial consequences. To bridge this gap, we proudly introduce DerivStudy Pro. This platform represents a novel convergence of modern vibe coding methodologies and domain-specific pedagogical simulation, designed specifically to bring financial mathematics to life. To understand the true impact of DerivStudy Pro, we must first examine the barriers we are breaking down. The greatest hurdle in STEM education is abstraction paralysis. Imagine trying to learn how to navigate complex financial markets purely through static formulas on a whiteboard. It is overwhelming. The objective of this innovation is to eliminate that barrier. We have built an intuitive interactive dashboard that allows students to manipulate options variables and see the market react in real time. We turn passive readers into active participants. To bring this vision to life, we set 4 foundational objectives. First, we designed the Concept Simulation Verify loop, which directly translates academic theory into a hands-on, interactive experience. Second, we completely eliminated the experiential learning barrier by building a virtual trading environment with zero financial risk, allowing students to experiment fearlessly. Because of this active learning design, we achieve our third objective, maximizing instructional efficiency and drastically accelerating how fast students master these complex concepts. Finally, we are democratizing edtech development itself. We are proving to the world that educators can leverage AI-assisted vibe coding to build high-quality, specialized tools at absolutely zero cost. Now, let us examine the engine driving this transformation, our features of innovation. DerivStudy Pro operates on a proprietary 3-phase pedagogical framework we call the Concept Simulate Verify, or CSV loop. Phase 1 grounds the student in core concepts with syllabus-aligned knowledge. Phase 2 plunges them into simulation, offering virtual trading with live market data. And Phase 3 verifies their understanding through immediate, formative assessments. We deliberately replaced generic gamification with a journey tightly mapped to actual learning outcomes. Students are guided progressively through 6 distinct application screens, moving from foundational notes to virtual trades and culminating in mastery badges and trophies. Our methodology involved 2 key pillars led by our team. Pillar 1 focused on identifying the pedagogical gap and defining the CSV loop requirements. Pillar 2 involved architecting the 3-phase CSV framework and the 6-screen student journey. The leader, Umaira, successfully released the system on a net-free tier, demonstrating a 66% reduction in concept mastery time. All team members contributed to vibe coding development using Gemini Canvas with iterative natural language prompting. The results of DerivStudy Pro are significant. A 66% reduction in concept mastery time, dropping from 3 hours to 1 hour per topic. The zero-risk environment enhances learner confidence by eliminating financial fear through gamified tracking. Furthermore, it establishes a zero-cost innovation model, successfully built and scaled at RM 0.00 per student. In conclusion, DerivStudy Pro resolves complex abstraction paralysis through a replicable, domain-specific CSV loop framework. It validates vibe coding as a transformative paradigm, shifting educators to technology creators. Finally, it democratizes access to high-quality digital learning tools with a scalable, zero-cost development model for resource-constrained institutions globally. Now we will proceed to a brief video demonstration of DerivStudy Pro. This is the derivatives ecosystem overview, providing learners with a clear view of core underlying assets and types of traders. The future of education is no longer bound to a textbook. It must be dynamic, universally accessible, and deeply engaging. To the esteemed judges and everyone joining us today, thank you for sharing in our vision. Remember, simulate the market, master the math.